Hello, my name is Zaya, Altisha's younger sister, and today I will be doing her makeup. On the palette, we will be using a Ace Beauty Scarlet Dust pad.
Here, they can't see if it's down that far. Put it up a little bit. There you go.
And I will be using a orangish red color that says crimson?
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 Mm-hmm.
I don't know. And I will be applying that first on her eyeshadow. And
Did you want a base?
a base?
Did you want an eyeshadow base? It might make it stick out. It might make the color stand out more.
Yeah.
Or is it showing up?
It's showing up. Sort of. It'll be fine.
Okay.
There.
First color on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You want to do the other eye?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You need more light? Or is that good?
That's good.
Okay. So you got to tell the people how old you are. You got to tell them things about you.
Okay, to this video, I'll be telling you not all my information of my life, but
Yeah, not everything. They don't need to know everything, but they might not want to know how old you are.
I am 10 years old. I just turned 10 years old recently.
When? Tell them when.
March 9th.
Yes, you just had a birthday.
Just had a birthday. I was going to have a birthday party at Austin's Park and Pizza, but since the COVID-19 got in the stupid butt way, it had to go to another day,
Yeah. But it's still going to happen.
hopefully. You keep on moving your eye and it makes it look weird. Sorry.
I'm just trying to not blink so much.
I can tell.
But when you're touching someone's eye, that's kind of what happens. They blink.
Yeah, sort of. And with a neon pink called Pink Moon, I will be going over that with a little slight pat. And also the topic of this makeup is called sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour. Wow. Meaning I'm the sweet one, she's the sour one.
Hey. Then I will be using another color called Aurora.
You know you can use more than one brush. I have a lot of brushes.
I can tell.
Yeah, I got a lot of brushes. You don't have to use the same one. I mean, if you want to use the same one because that's your makeup technique, then that's totally fine too. But I got a lot of them.
Then as the same as the Pink Moon, go over it with a slight pat.
Are you blowing on a brush? I don't know.
No.
Oh my gosh, that
I'm
is
not blowing
so nasty.
And then on another one, using this Hello
Charmer.
by BoxyCharm.
Makeup
And in
palette.
this palette, we will be using Unboxing.
Ooh, unboxing is cute. Show them your colors too whenever you get a chance up close, so they can see. Here, look. I'm just gonna go in with Unboxing first. Okay.
And go over the lines where you put the other sparkly colors over that for a slight pat again.
Another one.
She's being very gentle.
Yes, very, very gentle.
She's not pressing my eyes a lot, so that's nice.
And another color we will be using, let's say, Swipe Up for the glitter.
Ooh.
It is very, very glittery.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try not to get this all over the place. Just try to like There you go.
Wow. Am I shiny? Am I sparkly? Ooh, yeah. So do you watch my videos? I do makeup or what?
I just make the best out of it.
Oh, okay. So you
Don't watch my video, no.
basically.
I don't.
Okay. Very good.
What is... Oh, I will be using this Jelly-Roll, and it's called Gold Digger.
Oh.
I will...
You need something to make it stick because it's a chunky glitter.
Yeah, it is.
So you're going to need something. Here, you can use this right here. This is the glitter adhesive. You can put this on your hand or my hand.
Just like what? Do it.
You put that on top of my lid, and you're going to put that on top of that. So you put it on the eyeshadow or wherever you want to put it.
Put this on your eye very gently. And, oh, let me use your hand again. Thank you. My finger's going to be so red after this. I'll use this one. I'm going to take a brush, and then we're going to pick up the glitter with the brush. It's very, very cool. And then you're just going to like lightly tap it. And also after this, I want to spread it out. Let me spread this out. It's like one blob of unicorn puke or something. Whatever they throw up. Probably don't even want to know.
No, I don't think you want to know.
I don't.
Do unicorns throw up? They don't throw up. They're too magical.
Yeah, they're too magical to throw up. Any for the young users for your questions, no. Unicorns do not throw up. They are too magical. There you go.
All right. Can I open my eyes yet or no? Should I leave them closed?
Yes, leave them closed. It's a big surprise.
Okay. You want lipstick already?
Not a lipstick, like lip gloss that shows or something. Next, we will be using some Queen Bee
Liquid lipstick.
And it is called Monroe. And we are just going to apply this to the lips.
No, I don't want to waste what's left.
Did I do like a little smile for me? There you go. But on the top, we're going to add a lighter color to this, like this color.
Oh, okay.
That's what I like to do. Then I'm going to blend it in very softly. Red Fatale.
Sounds cute.
Really cute. It looks cute. Get out the bottle.
Pull it. Don't be scared. Pull it out.
Break this. Oh, there it goes.
It's not going to break.
Can I blend that out?
Blah.
And then there, you got yourself
You done already?
yeah.
Wow, that was
sweet and
super
spicy.
quick. Oh, I do look a little sweet and a little sour or spicy, whatever we call it.
I don't know.
Okay, lovely. Oh, you know what? Wait a minute. We got to put on hair to make it real.
Around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat.
Why are you going over there? People have to come see the artist.
Okay.
I look so good. And that only took 5 minutes.
Yep.
Wow.
Quick one.
Yeah, we got to learn how to do makeup like Zael. She does it real quick. She gets in, she does her thing, and then you're done. All right. Any finishing thoughts? Anything you'd like to tell the people? Or is that it?
That's pretty much it.
That's pretty much, y'all heard it yourselves. Let's all say a major thank you to Zazie for doing my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed our video, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye.